Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Ramadan is a great opportunity to share Islam and more specifically its value of spirituality, generosity, and kindness with others, especially with our neighbors. This year we shared this iftar platter with our neighbors, including some information about Ramadan and Eid with food and its description to help them avoid food that causes allergies. I will leave the link down below for you guys for the printable if you want to use it. Please remember me and my family in your prayers. And once again, thank you so much for watching.